Hello traders, adhere Forex here and welcome back to another episode of Forex Focus. Here we discuss the Forex markets, we talk about what happened in the previous week and also what we are expecting in the coming week. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Alright guys, before moving forward, I'd like to say this video is actually going to be a very short one, right? So let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so here we are on the weekly time frame of DXY as usual. So and as you can see right here, we had a relatively equal lows. We had this relatively equal lows right here, which serves as liquidity, right? Let's just annotate that as right. So that's our relatively equal lows. So let's just go to the daily time frame. All right, here we are on the daily time frame, and as you can see, we've been having a bearish market structure, right? And as you can see, our most recent strong high was this, right? So this was our most recent strong high. And why did we call that our strong high? Because the market broke this week low and then created this week low, right? So this is our week low, and the market, like, it's easier for the market to break this low than for it to break this strong high, because we are in a bearish trend, right? So normally we should be expecting the market to actually break this low, right? But from what I can see right here, looking at these highs, right, it looks like liquidity for me, to be honest, right? So I'm just going to annotate that as liquidity. And also, if we actually take a look up, right, if you look up, you can see that we had this sort of imbalance right here. So the market might actually in the coming week or in the subsequent ones, right, we might actually see the market actually take out all these liquidities, right, and then mitigate this imbalance before the continuation of the bearish trend, or to start a new bullish trend, right? But as you can see right here, we are still in a bearish trend, and this is still our strong high. But if the market is able to break this strong high to mitigate this imbalance, then we might actually start seeing some sort of bearish trend. But as for now, we are still in a bearish we might start seeing a bullish trend, right? But as for now, we are still in a bearish trend, right? So what we talked about in the previous week on the 4-hourly time frame, we talked about the market potentially coming to mitigate this imbalance, and obviously we had that, but we were not able to break this week low, right? So we at the end of the week, we saw the market rally towards the upside, and on the 4-hourly time frame, we saw that the market actually broke structure, right? The market broke structure right here. So the 4-hourly time frame is kind of creating some sort of bullish structure, right? But it's not fully clear, right, that we're actually in a bullish structure. But what we can see on the daily time frame is just this. We can see that on the daily time frame we have this liquidities, right, and also we have this relatively equal lows on the weekly time frame, right? So if the market actually takes out this liquidities and then mitigate this imbalance, we shouldn't be surprised, right? So but as for now, we can see that we are still in a bearish trend, right? And this is our strong high. So if this high is broken, then you can start looking for, yes, we can start looking for some sort of bullish signals, right, or bullish signatures, right, on the daily time frame or on the 4-hourly time frame, right? So that's that for DXY. So let's just move on to Gbpusd. All right, so here we are on the weekly time frame of Gbpusd, and as you can see right here, we still have this weekly high that is drawing price, and also we have all these imbalances. We have all these imbalances above it, right? So, but however, let's just go to the daily time frame to see what we've got there. So on the daily time frame, we can see that the market actually respected what we analyzed in the previous video, right? We talked about this low being our strong low, right, and the market should not break it, right? We talked about the market not breaking this low, and obviously the market was not able to break it, and we had this break of structure, right? The market is kind of giving us some sort of continuation of the bullish trend, right? And as you can see here, this was the bearish candle that created this bullish this break of structure. So this should be our strong low. Sorry, this will be our strong low, right? So let's just annotate that as our strong low, right? So this is the daily BOS towards the upside, right? So let's just go to the 4-hourly time frame to analyze what we've got there. Now on the 4-hourly time frame, right? On the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that, you know, the market actually, you know, created this imbalance. We have this imbalance, so the market will definitely retrace, right? But now we talked about this being our strong low, right? We talked about this being our strong low, right? However, we still have this we have this low, right? We have this low, and personally, I see all these lows as liquidities, right? To be honest, all these lows, I see them as liquidities, right? Which I feel like the market might. I'm not saying the market will. If the market takes them out, you shouldn't be surprised, right? So these lows look like liquidities for me, right? So, and this is actually a strong low, right? This is a strong low. So if the market actually takes out all these lows, right? And if the market takes out all these lows to tap into this, you know, demand zone, right? To continue the bullish trend, we shouldn't be surprised at all, right? We shouldn't be surprised because these lows looks like liquidities for me, even though I called this a strong low, right? But however, that's just, you know, what we can see there. We had this break of structure, right? We had this break of structure, but normally we shouldn't be looking at this like for now, right? We should just look at what we can see in the current like market condition. So currently we have this demand zone right here. So if the market actually retraces towards here, we should be looking for, you know, bullish, you know, setups around here. So we should be looking for bullish setups around here, right? So that's what we should just be looking out for. But if the market actually breaks this low, right, then we might actually, you know, eventually, you know, take out all these liquidities to tap into this demand zone. So that's that for this video. And I know this video is actually kind of, you know, short. I don't know if it's actually long, but yeah, we talked about the DXY and also the Gbpusd. So that takes us to the end of today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys not only enjoyed, I hope you guys learned 1 or 2 things from off of this video, right? So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.